Good morning dear students and welcome back to our online classes. As we know that the condition is becoming worse and worse day by day, so the online teaching is the only option we have so that your studies doesn't get blocked or hindered due to COVID-19. So class, I hope that you must have enjoyed your summer vacation in a blissful and fantastic way, but with entertainment, enjoyment, studies are also equally important. So let's get back to our studies. And today we are going to read poem 2 of our textbook, Honeycomb, that is The Rebel. It is a very beautiful poem written by D.J. Enright. This poem is about a person who doesn't agree with everyone. If we say what is a rebel is a person who shows his disagreement, disapproval, or who goes opposite to what others do, what others says, how others behave. So class, what is in the poem? Let's read, and I'm reading the poem loudly for you all. You all have to listen it carefully, and you may underline the difficult words and ask it later. Let's go through the poem. When everybody has short hairs, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hairs, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dress simply and soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You might not find it very good to be one. This was the poem written by D.J. Enright. Class, as we can read in the poem, it is written in very simple and understandable words. Like, if we see the first two lines, it is written that when everybody has short hair, means when other or everyone keeps short hairs, the rebel loves to grow long hair. The rebel goes opposite to what others say or do. And in the second line, when everybody has long hairs, जब सबके बड़े बाल होते हैं, when everybody grows long hairs, the rebel trims his hair and makes it too short. When everybody talks during the lesson, when the class is going on and everybody is talking, the rebel don't say a single word and he sits quiet and silent. But when nobody is talking in the classroom, when everybody is silent, the rebel feels like talking in the classroom and he talks loudly in the classroom. When everybody wears a uniform, when everybody comes to the school in proper uniform, the rebel loves to dress in a fantastic way. Suppose he is also wearing the uniform, but shirt tucked out, hairs in a spiky way, shoes laces of the shoes open, and such kind of things. He loves to wear fantastic clothes. But when everybody looks fantastic clothes and dresses up nicely and beautifully, the rebel loves to dress up simply and in a sober way. In the company of dog lovers, when everybody in the surrounding or in the atmosphere or in the group are dog lovers, the rebel expresses that he likes the cat. But when he is in the company of cat lovers, he likes to have a dog and he talks about the value of dogs at times. So when everybody wish and praises, appreciate the sun, he says there should be rainfall at least. But when everybody wishes or want rainfall to happen, he says, I'm missing the sunshine. I miss the brightness of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting with friends or with office colleagues, he loves to stay at home. And when everybody is staying at home, the rebel loves to go for a meeting or to hang out with the people. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. And when everyone says thank you, no thanks, he says yes please, you could do me the favor. He agrees for the favor from others. So class, it is important to, it is not very good to be a rebel mostly, because it is dangerous for us and it makes us the bad person in front of others. But rebels, being a rebel is good in other ways also, because these are the rebels only who comes up with the new ideas or new discoveries, or who become, who turn out to be a entrepreneur. When everybody is selling the apples, the rebel or the entrepreneur, the rebels or the person who doesn't agree with the common people or general people, he comes out by making apple juice. So he was the rebel, but he comes out with a better idea, So in the last two lines, the poet says, it is very good that we have rebels. You might not find it very good to be one. Means everybody don't like to be a rebel. Suppose in our class there is some boy who doesn't agree with the teachers, who don't agree with the students, other students, or who keeps on saying his things, or who gives priority to his words or his things or his actions. We don't like that particular person. But we never know that that particular person comes out with a new idea, or who turns out to be an inventor or discoverer or something. So it is sometimes very good to be a rebel. So class, this was the poem. We will discuss the question answers in our further lessons. But by now, what you have to do is, you have to go through the poem once again. Fine? Write down. Write down new word, word meanings. Meanings in your fair notebook. In beautiful handwriting, plus you can decorate your notebook by making a rebel or something. But you all have to do your work beautifully and nicely. I would appreciate you if you do it in a very nice way, just as we did before lockdown or before summer vacation. And the second thing, you have to answer these two questions. You can take help from your parents, from your friends. First thing, are you a rebel? If yes, tell when and how. Suppose if somebody asked me, am I a rebel? I would say yes, I'm a rebel. Because everybody don't like to drive or go out when it's raining heavily. But I prefer going out on a rainy day and make myself all get wet by the rainfall. So I am a rebel, and yes, whenever it rains, because nobody loves to or nobody likes to go out when it's rainfall outside. But I prefer to go out because I want to enjoy the rainfall and get wet under the heavy rainfall. So class, this was the answer. Now the second question, is there any rebel in your class? First of all, is there any rebel in your class? You will write, yes, there is a rebel in our class. You don't have to mention his name. Suppose you won't say Prakriti is the rebel, she do this and this, while the teacher says this. You don't have to mention the name. Just write down, yes, there is a rebel in my class, and you have to tell the activity. How is that person rebel and why? How is the person rebel, क्यों है, कैसे है and क्यों. ठीक है, that's it. And class, whatever work we are providing you from this platform, you have to learn it the same day and make sure that you are writing or you are working on your notebook in a very good, neat and clean handwriting. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.